everyone! Today I'll show you the easiest way to draw a perfect rose. Grab your pencil and let's draw together. Draw a simple rosebud shape. Keep the lines smooth and even. Add the outer petals around the bud to create the basic flower shape. Draw the bottom petals and the stem. Then add 2 small sepals under the flower. Color the flower with a beautiful red or dark pink shade. Color the stem dark green. Color the sepals and both leaves with a bright. Look at your beautiful rose. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a video. See you next time.